you have that annoying belt squeak, that can mean two things: a bad belt or a bad pulley. Let's figure this out. Alrighty, so we're gonna loosen up this pulley to take tension off the belt and take the whole belt off. And now that it's loose, we're gonna loosen up that tensioner bolt and we'll be able to take the belt off. Okay, so the belt's off and it looks in very, very good condition. All right, so we got some noise on this one. All right, so after inspecting them all, the power steering pump pulley is bad. And it's broke. So I gotta replace this thing anyway. Look at that right there. Cracked edges. But there it is. That is the noise.